Medical advantages of chayote. Chayote is a sensitive squash initially from Mexico. An individual from the gourd family, the uneven green natural product is regularly accessible in the southwestern United States, yet it stays a trinket in a significant part of the country. Chayote squash, Sechium edule, is actually an organic product, however, is eaten like a vegetable. All pieces of the gourd are eatable, including the seeds, skin, and blossoms. The chayote's light green substance is fresh when crude and mellow when cooked. Adored for its cucumber-like gentle, cool, and somewhat sweet flavor, chayote is an invigorating food that sneaks up all of a sudden. Medical advantages. Folate is a fundamental supplement for ladies who are pregnant or attempting to get pregnant. Otherwise called nutrient B9, folate is indispensable for the improvement of the fetal cerebrum and spinal rope. Folate may likewise assist with forestalling preterm births. Only one chayote squash offers 40% of the suggested day-by-day consumption for folate. Improved liver health. Chayote may contain intensifies that secure against fat development in the liver, which can cause greasy liver infection. Studies have discovered that squash can help diminish unsaturated fat stores in livers and lower cholesterol levels. The food may likewise help improve the body's digestion and capacity to deal with fats. Heart health. Scientists have discovered that phytochemicals in chayote can improve the bloodstream and diminish circulatory strain levels, which upholds conventional Mexican utilization of the natural product to treat coronary illness. Chayote is additionally wealthy in cell reinforcements, including myricetin, which can help lower cholesterol levels, diminish aggravation and secure against free extremists to lessen the danger of building up specific infections like coronary illness and malignant growth. Improved blood sugar control. Chayote is moderately low in starches and generally high in fiber, a dietary blend that can assist you with keeping up sound glucose levels. Significant degrees of fiber in chayote cause it with the goal that you to feel more full in the wake of eating less. The fiber additionally assists with hindering your body's ingestions of carbs, which assists with managing your glucose levels. Studies have likewise tracked down that synthetic mixture in chayote can assist with expanding insulin affectability. This assists individual with type 2 diabetes in better control their glucose levels. Better aging. Eating chayote can prompt critical decreases in irritation and oxidative pressure, measures that effectively affect body cells. Specifically, considers have given that chayote diminishes indications of metabolic condition, a danger factor for intellectual decrease and feebleness for more established grown-ups. Cancer prevention agents and supplements in chayote, like nutrient C, may likewise assist with shielding your body from cell harm and lessen noticeable indications of maturing. Nourishment. Chayote contains nutrients and minerals, including heaps of nutrient C and folic corrosive, in addition to direct measures of nutrient K, B6, manganese, copper, and zinc. Chayote additionally contains limited quantities of calcium and iron. Supplements per serving. Every medium-sized new chayote contains calories, 39. Fiber, 3 grams. Fat, 0 grams. Sodium, 4 milligrams. Cholesterol, 0 grams. Starches, 9 grams. Protein, 2 grams. Segment sizes. A standard part of chayote is 1 medium-sized squash or 1 cup of cubed substance. The most effective method to prepare chayote. Chayote is filled in a few U.S. states, including California and Florida. You can discover the squash in numerous supermarkets all through the southern U.S. In the event that your neighborhood stores don't sell chayote, you may likewise discover the organic product on the web. Chayote is in fact an organic product, however, it's readied and eaten like a vegetable. You can set up the food like you would get ready with different sorts of squash. A few different ways to appreciate chayote include eating crude chayote like you would eat cucumber or celery. Adding crude chayote solid shapes to vegetable or organic product servings of mixed greens. Steaming or bubbling chayote to appreciate it like an exemplary squash. Braising, broiling, or cooking chayote to make a pleasant expansion to soups and stews. Sautéing cut chayote with salt and dark pepper for a reviving starter. Blending cut chayote with diced tomatoes, chili, and beans.